Intermittent fasting is a popular eating pattern that involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. Instead of restricting calories, it focuses on time-restricted eating. This means you have specific eating windows and fasting windows. Imagine it like a schedule for your meals. For example, you might eat only during an 8-hour window each day and fast for the remaining 16 hours. Fasting doesn't mean starving yourself. You're simply choosing specific times to eat and not eat. Intermittent fasting has gained significant attention for its potential health benefits, including weight management and improved insulin sensitivity. It's not a diet in the traditional sense, but rather a lifestyle choice that can be adapted to individual preferences. Millions of people around the world have incorporated intermittent fasting into their lives. It's a flexible and sustainable approach to eating that can lead to long-term health improvements. There are various methods of intermittent fasting, each with its own schedule and rules. Let's explore some popular ones. The 16-8 method involves fasting for 16 hours and having an 8-hour eating window. For example, you could skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon, finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. The 5-2 diet has you eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories for 2 non-consecutive days. Alternate day fasting means you alternate between days of eating normally and days of fasting or significantly reducing your calorie intake. Eat, stop. Eat involves fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. For instance, you might have dinner on Monday and then not eat again until dinner on Tuesday. The key is to find a method that fits your lifestyle and preferences. Experiment with different approaches to see what works best for you. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting offers a range of potential health benefits, making it an appealing lifestyle choice for many. Here are some key advantages. Weight management can be aided by intermittent fasting, as it helps with weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake and boosting metabolism. Improved insulin sensitivity is another benefit, as giving your body a break from constant digestion can improve insulin sensitivity, potentially reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. During fasting periods, your body activates cellular repair processes, removing damaged cells and promoting longevity. Intermittent fasting has also been linked to reduced inflammation throughout the body, which can have positive effects on overall health. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may improve heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It's essential to note that research on intermittent fasting is ongoing, and more studies are needed to confirm these benefits. However, the existing evidence suggests that it can be a powerful tool for improving health and well-being. Section 4. Embarking on your fasting journey. Tips for beginners. Starting intermittent fasting can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some tips to help you begin your journey. Start gradually. Begin with shorter fasting windows and gradually increase the duration as your body adapts. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee during your fasting periods to stay hydrated. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger cues, and don't hesitate to break your fast if you feel unwell. Plan your meals. During your eating windows, focus on nutritious, whole foods to fuel your body effectively. Be patient and consistent. It takes time for your body to adjust to intermittent fasting. Be patient and consistent with your chosen method to see results. Remember, it's essential to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Section 5. Potential downsides and considerations. While intermittent fasting offers numerous benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential downsides and who should avoid it. Not suitable for everyone. Intermittent fasting is not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with a history of eating disorders, or those with certain medical conditions. Potential side effects. Some people may experience side effects like headaches, fatigue, or dizziness when first starting intermittent fasting. Nutrient deficiencies. If not done properly, intermittent fasting could lead to nutrient deficiencies, so it's crucial to consume a balanced diet during eating windows. Social challenges. Skipping meals or eating at different times than others can present social challenges. It's crucial to approach intermittent fasting with caution and consult with a healthcare professional to determine if it's right for you. They can help you assess your individual needs and guide you on a safe and effective approach.